Welcome to Pascal Kitchen Specialists, a proudly South African-owned and managed interior design company. Pascal Kitchen Specialists is a leading company specializing in turnkey solutions for renovation projects and luxury kitchen installations, and we are a proud member of KSA. You can find us at our refined and breathtaking showroom in Kramerville, Sandton, and our state-of-the-art factory situated in Kempton Park. Every Pascal kitchen begins with a single idea. Your dream space brought to life from blueprint to beauty. Pascal Kitchens is a living embodiment of quality, functionality, innovation, aesthetics, and adding value to your living space. At Pascal Kitchen Specialists, we specialize in transforming living spaces through comprehensive interior solutions. Modern kitchen designs that blend form and function, bespoke walk-in closets tailored to your lifestyle, contemporary vanities that elevate daily routines, custom built-in cupboards maximizing every space, elegant TV stands and entertainment centers, and refined bar areas for sophisticated entertaining. Each service is delivered with exceptional attention to detail, premium materials, and craftsmanship that defines luxury living. Our process starts with detailed consultation. We take time to understand how you live, what you need, and the style you envision. This stage ensures a clear, shared understanding of your requirements, investment, and timeline. Accurate measurement is the foundation of a flawless installation. Our trained teams take exact site dimensions, ensuring that every panel, hinge, and appliance will fit with engineering precision. Once measurements are confirmed, our design team begins crafting your personalized layout. Using advanced 3D modeling, we refine ergonomic, storage solutions, material combinations, and finishing details. The result? A clear visual representation of your future living space before manufacturing begins. With final designs approved, manufacturing begins in our 5,000 square facility. Our factory is equipped with state-of-the-art modern machinery paired with skilled craftsmanship to produce components that meet strict quality standards. Every piece is tested, checked, and certified before leaving our workshop. Installation is the stage where design becomes reality. Our teams follow a structured, professional process that ensures accurate fitting, minimal disruption, and a pristine work environment. Each element is installed with meticulous care, ensuring long-term durability and flawless finish. We complete the journey with a formal handover.
I would recommend Pascal to anyone and everyone. I already have. And yeah, should I ever need to build again, I'd definitely use Pascal. I'm extremely happy with the work that they've done.
Pascal Kitchens Specialist, where your vision becomes a crafted, engineered, and beautifully refined reality. Where craftsmanship meets vision, the extraordinary begins. At Pascal Kitchens Specialist, every detail matters. We design, manufacture, and install premium living spaces, crafted with engineering precision and timeless artistry. A brand built for people, for homes, for legacy.